सुप्रणाम सभी लोगों को। सलाम, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। ऑल व्यूअर्स ऑफ सुपर 20 क्लासेस, LM sir, great wishes for all persons living a healthy and good thinking life here. Today I explain a topic, and topic is also seeing your board, and I give the next video for the lecture here. But today I want to speak some motivational statement related to my life, and it's helps to you also, because every humans having the above to the same character, and no any change in the life style here, and no any functions applied for a life culture here, and for a long life approaches. My consideration say that when you have a good thinking and a good healthy mind, first you have without the stressless. When you have stressless condition, then you give a good works, and my late President Mr. Abdul Kalam ji said that keep smiling is the best character of a healthy mind here. And I advise for all humans, please don't take any tension in a life. For examples, financial, physically, mentally. You only think about a good works, positive thinking here in every day. The persons every mornings taking a bath, and night when sleeping is a diet. This is the mechanism of the humans here. And my religious book Gita also saying, जो हो चुका है वो भी अच्छा था, जो हो रहा है वो भी अच्छा है, जो होगा वो भी अच्छा है। ये मेरी गीता जो हम लोगों की हिंदू धर्म की रिलीजियस बुक है, ये बहुत पहले जो लोग गीता के बारे में जानते होंगे, द पर्सन नोइंग द गीता, and in the young time, about age 28-29, I preparation of administrative service in Allahabad. Then study about the detailed study about the Gita, Vedas, Upanishad, and Ramayana, Quran, Bibles, about all religious books here. Then my results saying here, our religious book giving only one results, believe only one God. God is the highest power here in the world here, and persons having the different imagination about the god. The gods having the different form and having the highest energy. No can human reach to equal this energy. This is the right thing about my religious consideration here. And I advise for all humans here, please save environment, save education, save childhoods, and in this time, COVID 19's pandemic time here, the lot of difficulties suffering my country and the whole world here. The persons having in many financial crisis and many person losses our jobs, just like private sector teachers and others. Many the employment is not generated in the pandemic times. Then many millions of humans are died all over the world on the coronavirus here. Then this is the pandemic time, and the pandemic time giving the many knowledge for me here. I also giving the our experience in the pandemic time and looking at 6 or 7 month pandemic time. Uh, 2 months are living in home and 2 months giving the time in village and plantation of many trees, about 1,000 trees also generated by me. And in my village, the trees are good in health in this time after 4 months. Then I advise for all persons, please save the trees. And about one Indian's population is a lot of population, and every family giving the promise to generate one tree for anywhere. Then the oxygen level is developed in air atmosphere. A pollution increases time to time here. You noted a pollution is very dangerous for your health. A lot of virus generated in our atmosphere here, and day to day your scientists and doctors and other persons and saying this virus is developed. This is the deficiencies of the humans. You break the nature, nature breaks to you. Listen carefully. You break the nature, nature breaks to you. This is the simple way. You can say this is a very simple way. You not running with the nature, then nature tracked you, and you can suffering and taking a lot of difficulties in your life. Just like example corona. Corona is a God gifted virus. I know, I believe. But First, you think about our works in every day. You giving a lot of polluted gases by vehicles in atmospheres. Your rivers are banned, not flowing permanently, and in a nature, animals cut it day to day. Animals is not safe here. The jungles and cattle house are limited day to day. The population of city increases and farmers lands also decreases. Farmers go in a jungle sites here and land of jungle is decreases. A lot of problem. You think all world persons solving are not only India here. India, our Prime Minister is a very good Prime Minister. I proud of our Prime Minister and in the my consideration, my Prime Minister, my imagination, very good and Kalyuga Avatar here and nobody compared to in this time. No leaders compared to my Prime Ministers in this time. I blessed and God gifted a high age here and my Prime Minister doing about 15 hours every day works in a Prime Minister post here. And in the past Prime Minister not listening and seeing, knowing about the 15 years works every day here. This is a very wonderful year. The working of my Prime Minister is very wonderful. Indian Prime Minister, I am proud of you and Indian military, Indians officers, Indian my Supreme Courts, High Courts, and my all railways, very good. Every is good, but uh, some difficulties, political difficulties, and thinking difficulties. We not united in this time. We not united for the country consideration. Your Prime Minister is the Prime Minister of all. All means Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, not only Hindu here. Okay? I advise for Indian, all Indian persons, seriously, you think and you helps. Your Prime Minister, your King is the King of India. The, the post is the King of country. The Prime Minister post is the highest post. And highest post means the powerful post. The President is the highest. Mr. Kovind is very good person here. I like also very serious and very good. All defense ministers, finance ministers, um, and home minister, they are very good in doing a job. But the job going, but some I am a Chapghat, Rima district, and I doing a job at Suhagi Public School and near to NS 30 highway and I am only chemistry lecturer and about 4 to 5 years I having the experience to saying that the government's policy is not going a ground state here. Ground state not looking the revolutions here. The persons also suffering for the waters, roads, and smalls not looking here. Then this is the corruption is the main problem here, and the Prime Minister saying that Prime Minister giving the lot of monies for the poorest of the all states here, but the ground state reality is not good here. The panchayata and pradhan, sarpanch not doing the good works, and they lot saying I asking him, they saying they lot of commission giving the officers and others. Then all money is not uses. This is the really truth here. Then very I had a lot of experiences, and I saying that coming to the main point here, the my country, my students suffering from the corona virus, and yesterday I see the media here, my prime minister today visit to the corona labs in Ahmedabad and another labs, and I want to listen to a good news for the corona vaccine, Indian corona vaccine going a third phase, and vaccine also distributed in all sectors because students are very hopeless, and teachers also, and schools not open properly here, transports are also closed, many students not reach their school properly here. Then uh, our prime minister having a giving a good news for the corona vaccine and distributed first the coronavirus and the students and others here. Then all things about this, and I wishes I wishes to all persons to like a knowing a my YouTube channels Super 20 classes by LM sir. Please knowing my channel and giving the comments about this year. I have LM sir, and belongs to Varanasi district, and my caste is Raghuvanshi Kshatriya here. Raghuvanshi Kshatriya, belonging to Ram here, and I have five brothers, and first brother is Mr. Chandra Mohan Singh, also uh, engineer here, junior engineer, and second brother is Prem Mohan Singh, also headmaster in primary school, and third is Lal Mohan Singh. This is I here, Lal Mohan Singh, MSc B.Ed, and also doing a chemistry lecture in Suhagi Public School. And fourth brother is Deep Mohan Singh, ITI teacher, and also taking a farming in village. And fifth brother is Alok Mohan Singh, also headmaster in Ramnagar, Varanasi, in primary school in UP. And my father also is expired here, late Mr. Sri Jaishankar Singh, retired principal Sri Saraswati Inter College, and my district is Chandauli. Chandauli near to the Bihar state here, and very good district, rice belts is district here, and there is a mini introduction. I have three sisters, and very good family, a joint family, about 50 to 60 family members are present in my family, doing the job in America, England, uh, and Korea, Japan, and Singapore, and Vadodara, Gujarat, and Pune, and Kolkata, and my family having all over the country cities here, and my relative also in all over the country and foreign also. Then I believe a joint family here. Because the Mr. Atal Bihari is saying that money only for uses for your uh, using the life here. No extra monies are uses for a collection of in your bank here. Then I advise for all persons only अटल बिहारी स्टेटमेंट इज प्रभु मुझे इतनी ऊंचाई मत देना कि अपने को गले न लगा सकूं, माने इतना धनवान मत बना देना कि मैं दूसरे से मिल न सकूं। इसलिए सुपर 20 क्लासेस आज सभी लोगों को आपका गुरु नानक जयंती, जो सोमवार को गुरु नानक जयंती है, इसके शुभ अवसर पर सभी सिख भाइयों को गुरु पूर्णिमा की गुरु नानक जयंती पर सुपर 20 क्लासेस तरफ सादर प्रणाम, सत श्री अकाल। और सभी भारतवासियों को गुरु पूर्णिमा स्नान करने के बाद जल्द से जल्द कोरोना वायरस खत्म हो और हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री हम लोगों को कोरोना वैक्सीन घर घर पहुंचवाएं, इसके लिए उनका साधुवाद। सुपर 20 क्लासेस सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।